Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Hope everyone are at good health and have a safe driving week ahead. Today we are talking about a feature which is very useful for our Indian conditions in driving. Recently you have seen that in petrol bunk someone has robbed a laptop from behind, and someone parked his car with the cash. Someone else took the cash and went away from the bank, from the car. A lot of things you are finding, or you are driving on the road, someone comes and stops you and does a robbery or gunpoint, whatnot. We have seen in our country many situations that which you cannot expect, and if you give a complaint to the police, there is no recording or there is no proof for it. So, or someone comes, hits you car from back, or suddenly there is a continuous you hit someone someone hits you from behind. It's a continuous, so there's nothing as such a proof. It just have to be told and accepted. Today we are talking about a feature called dash cam. Right? This is the dash cam, which is a necessary thing today in our Indian driving conditions. So this dash cam which I'm talking about should be actually made a compulsory, like 6 airbags is made. This dash cam in our country should be made compulsory. The reason is it has a memory which can get recorded front, inside and back also. So suddenly someone hit you from behind and he says he is looking at his mobile and he came and hit you from behind. This will have such clarity that you can record and show it in the police station and claim your insurance. Or someone has taken some bag, cash bag or a laptop from your car. So that can also be recorded and you can share that to the police people and see that you claim back the your complaint is accepted, and this can be used as a proof. So dash cam is such a feature which an attachment which should be made compulsory in every car, let it be a small car or a big car. So this will be useful for our people, for people who are driving, and for the safety of the passenger and as well as us. So this dash cam is very useful for all of us. So happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.